Today we are going to discuss the normal mechanism of the labor, and we will read the normal mechanism of labor in the left anterior occipital position. Left occipital anterior position means that your occipit at the anterior side and in the left of the pelvis, and this is the commonest position which easily delivered through vagina. And first of all, the first process is known as the engagement. The largest diameter of the head is fixed in the largest diameter of the pelvis. Then further head descend after engagement, and when it descend, it strike with the pelvic floor muscles, and some flexion occur at the occipit level or at the head. This is known as flexion. So first process is the engagement, when largest diameter of the head engage in the largest diameter of the pelvis. Second is the descent, and the third is the flexion. After flexion of the head, the head moves 1/8 of the circle and comes under the symphysis pubis. This rotation is known as internal rotation. So now we discuss the four mechanism. One is the engagement, then the descent, then flexion, and then internal rotation. After internal rotation, the head further strike the pelvic floor muscles and go under the symphysis pubis, and then the process of extension occur, and first the vertex and then the face and the chin delivered. After this process, the process of restitution occur. There is a passive movement of the head, and it moves 1/8 of the circle, and after this there is a process of external rotation of the head. In the this external rotation occur at the level of the head, but the shoulder move internally, and the anterior shoulder come under the symphysis pubis, and the posterior shoulder come under the sacrum. And then we deliver the anterior shoulder by the process. We pull the head downward, we give the downward traction, and under the symphysis pubis, and the posterior come under the sacrum. Then we deliver now we deliver the anterior shoulder by giving downward traction at the head level, and anterior shoulder is released. And when we give the traction upward on the at the head, the posterior shoulder is released, and the remaining body is released by the lateral flexion. Good.